So what has this little gadget got to do with a mucky, blocked up fridge? Wow, it is the plug at the back of my fridge. And for some reason, I can no longer get it back in there. But this little gadget is a plug that you keep in there, and when you take it out, if you found your fridge is clogged up with lots of water gathering at the back and starting to spill out everywhere, you need to take the little plug out, get a straw cleaning brush in the hole to unplug it, and it should help with the unblocking of your fridge. So that, I just thought I'd show you that, and I wish I had remembered to show you before I cleaned it, because it was nasty, it was mean, but I just thought I'd show you what I did and what that little plug is at the back, and you clean it out so that the gunk does drain out the fridge. Instead, I've got a pile of water gathering underneath the fridge and pouring out underneath my veggie box. Now it's nice and clean and ready to be filled again.